Hello everyone, welcome to 9Mclasses. Today we are going to listen a great story, A Rich Man and His Son. A rich man's son was graduating college. For months, the son was asking his father for a new car, knowing that his father had more than enough money. When graduation day came, the young man's father called him into the study. The father handed him a wrapped gift and congratulated him about his graduation and his achievement. Looking disappointed, the son opened the gift to find a lovely feather-bound journal with the young man's name embossed on the car. He angrily raised his voice, threw down the journal and stormed out. The young man had not seen his father since graduation day. He became successful and was wealthy like his father, with a beautiful home and a family. He came to realize his father was aging and it may be time to put the past behind them. Just then, he received a message that his father had passed and he had to return home to take care of the estate. As the morning sun regretfully returned home, he began searching through his father's important papers and saw that still new journal just as he had left it. He opened it and he flipped through the pages. A car key dropped from the back of the journal. A dealer tag was attached to the key that read, "Paid in full. Wherever this car takes you, write about it to remember it forever. Love, Dad." Moral of the story: no matter what you expect, be grateful for what you are given. It may be more of a blessing than you think. If you found value in the story, do comment below and let us know how you think about the gifts which you have received. Subscribe and watch our videos regularly for making your listening more grateful.